Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the sewing tutorial of this beautiful dress on the screen. If you have not watched the pattern drafting and cutting tutorial, I'll drop the link in the description box so you can go and watch it. Let's go straight into the sewing. So, welcome to the sewing tutorial of this beautiful dress. I have ironed my interfacing on the facings for the front and the back, so I'll be showing you how to join them together. Okay, so I'll just turn over to the front of my dress. This is the front, and this is the front facing. This is the front facing. Front facing front. I'll do a stitch on half-inch seam allowance that I added. So I'll just stitch half and half on this other side, joining the facing to the front part of my dress. Okay, let me switch the side, and then I'll do the same thing for the back. Okay, let me do that. And then one more thing I'll do before I come back to the table is to sew my darts. I'll sew my darts on. That's my bust darts. I'll sew it inside at the back. I have sewn the facing to the front and the back dress, and this is what it looks like. I've done an under stitch. So the next thing I'll do is this is the front. This is the front. I'm going to sew my darts. I'm going to sew my dart, so I think that's the next thing to do. Let me just sew my dart first. Okay, so I had to interface the sides of my fabric because I was having skipped stitches when I was sewing. So I did that on all my pattern pieces, as you can see. Now the next thing I'll be doing is I've sewn my darts. I'll take the cowl piece. Now remember, I made a notch. Okay, there is a notch here, demarcating the shoulder seam from the facing. So I'll just do this. This is my cowl right now. Can you see that? I'll just attach it on the shoulder seam like this. Okay, so this is what it's going to be like on my shoulder seam. I'll attach it like this. This is the cowl and the facing. So I'll just bring out my facing part of the dress and then do this. Let's pin it down. Do the same thing on the other side, like this. And pin it down. Okay, so I'll take my back piece and front facing front, like so. Okay, this one is supposed to be here. Okay, this is zipper area. Okay, so facing to facing, then fabric to fabric. I'll run a stitch there. Okay, and then I'll do the same thing for the other one, the other part of the back. This front facing front. Okay. Then I'll run a stitch facing on this side and then the fabric on the other side. Okay. So for the sleeve, remember I told you I was going to add my ostrich feather. This is the ostrich feather. I don't really know how many layers to go for each of them. I'll just divide it into 2 equal parts. One for the left and one for the right. So what I'm going to do is I'll just do this. I'll sew it on the sleeve like this. Cut, continue. Let me see how many layers to be. 2, 3, maybe 4. Okay, 4. About 5. Okay. About 4.5 layers of the ostrich feather. I'll sew on the hem of the sleeve. Then join the sides like this. ½ inch. Those ½ inch seam allowance I left when cutting. So I'll do all of that and bring it back to show you what it looks like. I went on to couple the full dress by joining the sides and the sleeve, and then I fixed my zip at the back of the dress. Guys, this is the final look of the dress. It came out so beautiful, and I decided to embellish the waistline just to give it an extra look. I'm so excited about this project. I'm happy at the final result. Thank you all so much for watching till the end. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also, if you have any questions about this project or any other thing you would like me to answer, drop your comments in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Thank you. Bye.